All right, so what's happening in the market? Market seems very red right now. And not even right now, even I think from the past 1 and 2 months, the whole market seems really red right now. Let's try to break down like what's happening in the market. Just a quick update. So if you see, this is the coin market cap website, and we can see a lot of green as well. If you see the 7 days chart, so ZK saying 96% in 7 days, 44% in just 24 hours. Dash is doing really well, but these are tokens I'm pretty sure that you must not have in your portfolio. Virtuals, as like I have already discussed about this token, Virtuals is a really good token for this cycle, which is AI agent creation platform. Second is BitTensor is doing really good strength into the market right now. It is 18% in 7 days. But if you see the chart of the Tau, which is really good in terms of the momentum. So the recent low was $181, and then again this support, which is $300 of support. And right now Tau is sitting as $490, and it went up to 335. And the next resistance for the Tau is around 590, 580. And if we break this, which is most likely in 1 week or 2 weeks, if we break this, then we have a very clear sky up to 750, 700 at least. So I think Tau is doing really good. It is now sitting at 480 after going up to 535 around. So Tau is doing really good. So what are the top tokens that are actually performing good from past 6 to 8 months? I think the number one is Virtuals. That is really good. Second is Tau, which is also doing good. And third, which is Aerodrome. So this is actually a Coinbase DEX Aerodrome, and it is the token of the Aerodrome. And now sitting at $1, which is at least a good token, not going 90% down like other altcoins. So this is what's happening into the market. And in the past few months, we have seen a lot of good projects into the market. So one token which I usually talk about, which is if we go down, we might see somewhere into the downside, which is Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is sitting as $41, and it was trading at $60 at the all-time high, and now it is $40 range, which is really good if you compare this token with the others. Like this render was all-time high about $12 to $14, and now sitting at $2, and this is at $40. So Hyperliquid is performing really well, and one of the good projects, actually competitor of Hyperliquid, also into the market. So I will talk about some projects which are into the airdrop phase and which are of the similar symmetry. So Hyperliquid basically a perp marketplace, and where you can actually do some leverage trading. So recently there is another platform which is launched, which is Aster, and Aster is on Binance chain, and it is actually promoted by CZ as well. And the recent tweet, like this tweet, if you see this pump, recently it was trading at 0.92, and in just 1 hour it went up to 1.2, and currently trading at $1.17. Why? Let's read this tweet. So in this tweet, CZ is saying that, full disclosure, I just bought some Aster today using my own money on Binance. I'm not a trader. I buy and hold. So basically he had bought like at least 2 million Aster into his account on Binance. So he has around 2 million Asters, which he's claiming that he has. And what he said, which is very interesting: I bought some BNB in the first month of its TGE 8 years ago, and I held all of it except spendings. So at TGE was BNB might be at trading at like $1 max, and now it is trading at $1,300. So how many times return he had received from BNB in just 8 years? It's insane. So if it is true, and if he's saying like he is buying the Aster at 0.9, then people are actually very very bullish right now, and they are continuously buying the Aster. And if you see the price action of Aster, it went up to 2.4 around, and now it's into the range of $1. And after the tweet of CZ, like most of the people are into this, you can see through the volume here. So if it is true, like if it can do just like BNB, so we can do like 10x 20x, who knows. So this is what like it's happening into the market, which is again a next pop exchange just like Hyperliquid, but on BNB right now, which is Aster. Another exchange which is doing the same thing, another decentralized exchange, which is pop, which is lighter here. You can see they're also running airdrop part. This is the leaderboard. You can also participate into it. So this is exactly like Hyperliquid. So you can also see you might get some airdrop through the lighter as well. So these are the three platforms: Hyperliquid, lighter, Aster. And by the way, Aster also gave a lot of airdrop to the people, but not like Hyperliquid, but they also gave the airdrop, and there's still airdrop is running, which is stage 3. So if you want to participate into the Aster airdrop, you can freely participate into it. But this tweet is really good. So this is kind of a free alpha for everyone who is looking for. That is from the boss of the crypto, which is CZ, Binance CEO. And now he's saying like Aster can also do really well in the future, just like BNB maybe. So let's go to the BTC. So BTC is now sitting at 110. Like people are very scared here. And when I was creating the YouTube video like 6 to 8 months back, then the same price was there, which is around 10500 and this kind of price action. And the same, still we are up, but the whole alt market is actually down, and people are really into the panic stage. Let's go to the, and I think BTC can do really well. People are expecting that if BTC break this level, which is like support from very long time frame, which is 106,500, if breaks it, then we might see somewhere around 98k. Let's see what will happen into the future. So this is the BTC chart. Let's go our favorite meme coin, which is SPX, and SPX is now sitting at 0.86 around. Kind of struggling, but still stable if you compare with the other meme coins like Popcat, Giga. They are like 90% down. But if you see SPX, we are around 50% down from the all-time high. And even we have recovered a lot to the upside, and the upside to the upside. Still we are at 0.86. Let's see where it goes, because we have a very good support here at this price action, which is 0.8. If we break this, then I think we might go a bit lower, but I don't think that we will be going down below 0.8, because this is a very good support from past here as well. Another token which is really good, which is also the supported by the Cryptonary team, which is Aura, which we have picked around 1.5 years back. So Aura is now sitting at 0.07 around, which is 66 million market cap. And who knows, like this could be another SPX, just 66 million market cap. So if everything goes right, and if can go really high, like people are claiming, even the Cryptonary team have the proven records of related to the meme coins, that they are claiming that this can go up to $5 billion meme. So not 5 billion, even if we just hit $500 million of market cap, that is still, I would say, 10x. And people who are searching for 100x, I think they should leave the crypto, because there is a pure gambling. But I think if you target like 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, I think that is better for into this crypto cycle, because this cycle is really really vicious right now. Let's go to the alt season index, like what's happening into the alt season actually. So we are now at 30 into the alt season index, which is all time low almost. And if we scroll down a bit, and if we see the overall performance of the different crypto, so if you see the top performing is Aster, but we can leave this. Why? Because this is like airdrop thing. Second is ZAC, which shown like recent pump. Third is Humanity Protocol, which is 500% plus. This is again airdrop kind of thing. Dash, this is older project. Recent pump, because this is the performance into 90 days. Then M, which is Meme Core, again launch into this season. Then OKB, OKX Exchange, TWT, MNT, Pump. So Pump is 40% up, again the recent launch. BNB is performing really well, which is 40%, because this is the older project which was consistently growing up. So BNB number one. Second, we have Tau. Tau is really performing well this from 90 days. This is good project. Virtual is also performing really well. Arrow, as I have already discussed, is performing really well, which is 24% up in the 90 days. Hype, and then BTC is here. And if we go down, where is our SPX? So SPX is here, 50% down in past 90 days, because we have seen recent pump into the SPX, which went up to 1.7 from around 0.9. So that's why it's like going down. So this is overall what's happening into the market. So if you have any thoughts about the crypto market, like what's happening, what's about to happen, you can write it down into the comment section. So that's all about this video. See you into the next video. Thank you.